Ever pondered about the secret to earning money? Well, it's not as elusive as it might seem. Today, we're going to delve into this topic and break down the process into simple, manageable steps. First, one must understand that money is a byproduct of value creation. Think about it. When you provide a service or product that others find valuable, they pay you for it. So, the initial step is to figure out what value you can offer. Are you good at writing? Do you have a knack for design? Or perhaps you have a skill that others might find useful. Once you've identified your value proposition, it's time to market yourself. This might involve creating a portfolio, setting up a website, or simply telling friends and family about your services. Remember, the more people who know about what you can offer, the higher your chances of earning money. Next, it's about setting a fair price for your services or products. This might seem tricky, but it's all about finding a balance between what you think your time and skills are worth and what your clients or customers are willing to pay. Now that you've set up your offering and pricing, it's time to hustle. This means going out there, finding clients or customers, and working hard to deliver your services or products. It might be challenging at first, but with persistence and dedication, you'll soon start to see the fruits of your labor. Finally, it's essential to remember that earning money isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process that requires ongoing effort and improvement. Always seek feedback from your clients or customers and strive to improve your services or products. This will not only help you earn more money, but also ensure your long-term success. So, to sum it all up, earning money involves identifying your value proposition, marketing yourself, setting a fair price for your services or products, hustling, and continuously improving. It's not an easy journey, but with the right mindset and approach, it's definitely achievable. Today, we've unraveled the process of earning money, breaking it down into simple, manageable steps. It's all about creating value, marketing your services or products, setting your price, hustling, and continuously improving. Remember, the path to earning money is a marathon, not a sprint, so keep going, keep improving, and most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the journey.